G, happy birthday. I want to say thank you for showing the world that we do recover.
Come on.
All right. So I want to go through some things. So when I was in treatment, I was told certain things like forgiveness and connections is the opposite of addiction and self-love. And I could look up a word up in the dictionary, read the definition, and still not know what it means, right? So I want to share with you guys what I wrote, what self-forgiveness is for me, and this is how I want to start off, right? So forgiveness isn't a free pass, it means. It means I recognize what I did was wrong, accepting I did what I did. I don't play the victim for my choices. Learning from my mistakes, understanding I am not perfect. I'm kind with how I speak to myself. I'm taking on the responsibility that is my job to make it better and no one else's. I'm patient in this process. I use the opportunity today gives to make it better. Forgiveness for others will also come because once we forgive ourselves, we will experience an inner peace that we want to hold on to and not let anyone or anything take it from us. Freedom isn't given, we have to fight for it. Yeah. So I had to break things down in treatment. So connections, right? We know connections is the opposite of what? Addiction, right? But what did that mean? So I had to look at my addiction. My addiction taught me how to be successful in recovery. It's not what you know, it's what? So when I needed my drugs, I got around people that could get me my drugs. When I was around people that were miserable, they helped me be miserable, right? If you want to live a better life, you got to get around people that are better than you. So I want to break down why I think connections is the opposite of addiction, right? Connections leads to clarity, right? Clarity shows us how things are happening, not why. When we go to why, we go to our feelings. Our knowledge is what limits us. It's what you know that stops you, not what you don't know. The less that you know, the more you'll be able to learn, right? So it goes connections to clarity. Clarity to how things are happening will lead to the cause of why things are happening in our lives, right? After cause, it'll lead to consciousness. Then we start to become aware of these things. And then after the consciousness, then we can make corrections. Right? That's why connections is the opposite of addiction. I'm a very analytical person, if you haven't noticed, right? So self-love, right? Self-love is not a feeling. That's what movies teach us. Self-love is an action. It's doing things despite how you feel. That's how you're able to love your enemies the same way. When someone gives you anger, remember, anger is a privilege. Do not give people that privilege anymore. You know what I'm saying? When people want you, the devil gives us opportunities. I don't feel like he attacks me no more. Because I found God, so I understand the necessity of the devil in all of this. Without the devil, we wouldn't need faith, right? So he has a purpose, right? So he allows me opportunities to better myself, but he's so good at manipulating our thoughts that we feel it's an attack. So when we feel it's an attack, we feel like we have to fight. What happens if we don't have to fight our demons? What happens if we could walk with them? Because my addiction is never going to fall behind. And I'm never going to get ahead of it, right? There's a song, I think, with Jadakiss, right? Don't let your demons take you to hell. You introduce them to heaven, right? So demons are only demons until you release them. Then they grow wings and fly and become angels. The darkness and the light are both the same thing. It's our perspective that sees it. Because my 20 years of active addiction, so-called darkness, is the reason why I'm in the light. So for everyone that's in treatment right now, I just want to give you something that helped me in treatment, right? We need to step out of our own way. And what that means is stop asking yourself who you are. You know what I'm saying? Or why am I an addict? Start asking, how did you get yourself into treatment? When we break our arms, they do not get fixed. If you feel you're broken, you cannot be fixed. That's a destination, as an expectation. Our minds are meant for exploring, not meant to draw conclusions. When we draw conclusions, those are expectations. When things don't live up to that expectation, we're going to get discouraged, right? So when you break your arm, what's the process of breaking your arm? It gets put into a what? Yeah. And then what happens to that bone? Does it get fixed or does it get healed? The definition of healing is becoming sound and healthy again. Treatment is your cast. Heal, busy and productive, two different things. Stop trying to be so busy in treatment and getting all these things back in your life in one instance. Yeah. It's not going to happen. That's your addiction, making you want to move, because we're quick and we want instant gratification. Stop in order to move forward. I didn't care what people made fun of me because I said I was going to be living the life I am today. Remember, manifestation is a real thing. I used to just manifest the end results. That's why I didn't get nothing. Manifest the people you need in your life to get recovery done. Manifest the actions you need to take in order to get that recovery done. Manifest the feelings, manifest the days, manifest every little step. Spoon feed it to the universe. Because how could the universe give you something if you're just saying, I want to do this with my life? When I was in treatment, people made fun of me because I was going to do what I was going to do, right? I didn't sit on the table that made fun of everyone. People are talking to you about other people, they're talking about you. Remember that. A real friend, someone you can share good news and bad news with. I'm going to end it with this. The definition of relapse is not the use of the drug or the drink. Us addicts, we feed stigmas by believing in stigmas. Them shits do not exist to me today. Do not tell me what an addict can or can't do. I'm tired of them stepping over us in the street and thinking we're a certain way. So I'm taking on the responsibility to kill all stigmas because I contributed it with my actions. So I'm taking on that responsibility. The definition of relapse is the deterioration of improvement, not the use of the drug or the drink. So I never thought I relapsed until I picked up the drug or the drink, when in reality, I relapsed once I started to change my mindset, my lifestyle, and my way of living. Because that's what recovery is, that's what addiction is. It's a mindset, it's a lifestyle, it's a way of living. Understand relapse is a part of recovery. The use of the drug or the drink isn't. Once you start deteriorating in your movements or your actions, you relapse. Nip it in the butt right then and there. If you're in treatment, you're where you're supposed to be. If you do not accept